My name's Lucas with Lucas Auto Detailing, and today I'm going to show you how to secure repeat customers for your auto detailing business. Stick around as we break down some key strategies to exceed client expectations and foster lasting loyalty. I'm going to start off this video with a brief introduction for this BMW here, and then I'm going to jump right into all the exciting details. For this one, we usually use brake buster and some other iron remover, but today we got the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions, the Hyper Foam. This stuff is pretty freaking awesome. Wheels and tires. And we also are using the iron followed by remover by Sonax. It's pretty decent. Honestly, it's just the cheapest iron remover. All iron removers are relatively the same. Okay, so as that exterior detail plays out in the background, I'm going to jump into segment number 1, which is understanding your client's needs. To get repeat clients, the first step is understanding what they value most. For auto detailing, it might be quality, convenience, affordability. By conducting surveys or direct feedback, identify what drives your customers to choose your service and what could make them stay. In this customer's case, he said his wife loves a clean car and usually keeps the interior pretty clean, but wanted a full deep clean on the exterior so it's nice and shiny for the summer. In order to land this client as a repeat client, because this is the client's first time booking in, I did something a little special for them at the end of the service, which I'm going to talk about a little later on. Jumping into segment number 2 is personalized services. Once you understand your clients, offer personalized experiences. If a client is super picky about their center console area and they always get crumbs or something in there, or maybe it's the scratches in the laminate that lines their vehicle, maybe offer an interior polish. You're basically a problem solver for the customer, and in order to provide value, you have to understand what their pains are when it comes to their vehicle. Small gestures like this show that you actually pay attention to their preferences and are willing to go the extra mile. Segment number 3 here is exceptional customer service. Customer service is key when interacting with these detailing clients. Ensuring every interaction your client has with your business is positive. Train your staff to be courteous, professional, and proactive in solving issues. Happy clients are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Part of an exceptional customer service is making a connection with your client. The first thing I do when interacting with a client is immediately searching for a connection. I'm trying to find something I have in common with this person or some knowledge that I have about a topic that they're interested in. In this way, I can understand a client on a deeper level and kind of talk to them on a more casual level and still be professional. This tactic almost breaks the fourth wall in a customer-client interaction, where they're more your friend rather than some guy that's trying to sell you a bunch of crap. Being relatable in your detailing business can definitely help you in the long run. Moving on to segment number 4 is follow-up and feedback. Always follow up with your clients after a service. I use automations to do this, but a quick call, email, or a text to check on their satisfaction of your service can make a big difference. Use this opportunity to ask for feedback and make improvements. If the customer is indicating that they had a negative experience, to be honest with you, I would not even send the Google review link. But if they're so happy, if they're beyond stoked, maybe they're sending you pictures like, oh, look how beautiful it is, blah, 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 blah. Always send the Google review link, because you know you're going to get 5 stars, and the 5-star feeling is so fantastic when you just build those up. Follow-up and feedback does not only improve service quality, but also shows clients that their opinions matter. Securing repeat clients in your auto detailing business isn't about the shine you leave on their cars, but the lasting impression you leave on their minds. By understanding your clients' needs, personalizing services, delivering exceptional customer service, and actively seeking feedback, you set up your business for success. In the video you're seeing now, I'm doing an exterior detail on a BMW. It is a first-time client, and like I said before, I did include something a little special for them. In this case, they did opt for the 3-month machine-applied wax, but instead, I upgraded them to a 6-month car coating for free. Even though this service might eat into my margins a little bit, it'll be worth it in the long run because I know this client's wife will be happy with the service, and if she's happy, he'll be happy. Remember, when you go above and beyond, you turn a service into an experience, and that's what brings the clients back. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. There's a couple links in the description. I do offer services for auto detailing businesses. Feel free to check it out on my website there, but I also have a bunch of other free videos on my channel, so feel free to check it out and like, subscribe, comment, and I will answer all your questions. I am thinking about doing a free school community for auto detailers, either mobile detailers, or if you have a shop, that is okay too. I'm thinking about doing free weekly kind of like Zoom calls or Google Meets where we all hop on there. I'll answer any questions you might have. I'm really into Facebook ads, Google ads, things like that. And I also use a CRM software to kind of like follow up with the leads, do marketing, and kind of track everything, have it all in the same place. So I'd love to share with you guys how I do that 100% for free. If that sounds like something you're interested in, leave a comment below and I'll add you to the early access list. Thanks for watching. Peace.